This delicious creamy tarragon chicken is all cooked in one pan and it's ready in less than 30 minutes, making it the perfect meal for any day of the week. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. We love creamy chicken dinners in our house, and they're some of the most popular recipes on our channel, so we know that you guys love them too. I've been meaning to make this tarragon chicken for quite a while, so let's get cooking. We're going to start by heating 2 tablespoons of oil over a medium to high heat in a large pan. Now we're going to season 4 chicken breasts with a total of about half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Add the chicken breasts to the pan and cook for about 3 minutes on one side until sealed and golden. After 3 minutes, turn the chicken over and move them over to one side of the pan. Now add a small, finely diced onion to the space in the pan. We're also going to add in 2 minced cloves of garlic. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, stirring often until the onions start to soften. Now we're going to add in 120 ml, which is about half a cup of white wine. If you don't want to use wine, as I know some of you don't like using alcohol in recipes, then you can replace the wine with chicken stock and a splash of lemon juice. Add the wine to the pan and let it bubble away for 3 to 4 minutes until it's nearly all evaporated. Then we're going to add 120 ml or half a cup of chicken stock. We're also going to add in a teaspoon of dried tarragon, or you can use 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh tarragon, plus 180 ml or 3/4 of a cup of double or heavy cream. Stir together and bring to the boil. Now simmer gently for 6 to 8 minutes until the sauce has thickened and the chicken is completely cooked through. Now once that chicken's cooked through, give the sauce a taste and see if you want to add any more tarragon. Tarragon's quite a potent herb, so it's best to go easy on it at first and then add in a little bit more later if it's needed. Serve the chicken and the sauce sprinkled with a little bit more fresh tarragon and some black pepper. I love to serve mine up with creamy mashed potato and some nice green beans. This tarragon chicken is a super simple but impressive creamy chicken dinner. It makes a great midweek meal, but it's also something that's a little bit more impressive for date night or for the weekend. I love a creamy chicken dinner. If you do too, I've got some of my favourites on a playlist for you here. See you next time.